buddies! Welcome to Easy Learning Math, where we make math super easy. Now, we're going to continue discussing how to solve problems involving perimeter and area of plane figures in real life. Without further ado, let's start. Now let's solve question number 2. The cross-section of a footstool and its dimensions are shown in the figure below. Okay. Based on the figure given, we can see that it's a rectangle with a semicircle removed from it. And then it is given that AB is equal to DE is equal to X centimeter. AG equals EF equals 20 centimeter. And then FG equals 30 for centimeter. BD equals 14 centimeters. Now find the length of arc BCD. Arc is part of circumference of circle. Remember that circumference of circle is 2 times pi times r. So here, we can see that BCD is a semicircle. So arc BCD is 1 out of 2 times pi times radius. Okay, so half times 2 times pi. We use 22 out of 7 for the value of pi. How about radius? From the figure we can see that 14 is the diameter. So radius is 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, now let's simplify. So we divide both 2 by 2 and we get 1. And we divide 7 and 7 by 7, also 1. So the length of arc BCD is 22 centimeter. Next, let's solve number 2b. If the perimeter of the cross-section of the footstool is 116 centimeters, find the value of x. Okay, so perimeter of this figure is 116 centimeter. Remember, perimeter is the length of the boundary of the figure. So GA plus AB plus arc BCD plus DE plus EF plus FG equals 116 centimeters. Okay, next. You know the GA is 20 centimeter. AB is X centimeter. Arc BCD is 22 centimeters from the previous question. DE is also X. EF is 20 centimeter also, and then FG is 34. Now let's combine the like terms together. Yeah, x plus x is to x, and 20 plus 22 plus 20 plus 34 equals 96. And then we subtract 96 from both sides. It is 20, and then we divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 10 centimeter. This is not the only way. Can you find another method to find x? If yes, put your answer in the comment below. Next, let's solve number 2c. Find the area of the cross-section of the footstool. Remember that area is the space inside a shape, so all of this. Okay, first let's find the whole area of this figure. We can see that the whole shape is rectangle. So let's find the area of rectangle GAEF. The area is length times width. So 34 times 20, it's 680 square centimeter. Based on the figure given, we can see that it's a rectangle with a semicircle removed from it. So next let's find the area of semicircle BCD. Remember that the area of circle is pi times r square. So, to find area of semicircle, we multiply 1 out of 2 by pi by r square. We use 22 out of 7 for the value of pi, and substitute r equals 7. We can write 7 square as 7 times 7, then simplify. Divide both 7 by 7, and then divide 2 and 22 by 2. 11 times 7 is 77 square centimeter. So the area of the cross-section of the footstool is the area of rectangle GAEF. Subtract the area of semicircle BCD. So 680 subtract 77. And the answer is 603 square centimeter. Now, let's solve question number 3. A rectangular field is surrounded by a concrete path as shown in the following figure. It is given that the length and the width of the rectangular field are 30 meter and x meter respectively. So the length is 30 meters and the width is x meter. If the perimeter of the rectangle field is 96 meters, show that the value of x is 18 meters. Show that indicate that. We need to show a method that leads to the result. Please remember not to substitute x equals 18 from the beginning. Okay, first let's write the information given from the question. We know that the perimeter is 96 meter. Remember that perimeter is the length of the boundary of the figure. Let's label rectangle K, L, M, N. So the perimeter is KL plus LM plus MN plus NK equals to 96. KL is x meter, LM is 30 meters. MN is also x meter. And NK is 30 meters. Equals to 96. So let's add the like terms. So add x and x becomes to x, and then 30 plus 30 is 60. And then we subtract 60 from both sides. So we get 2x equals to 36. And now let's divide both sides by 2. Then we get x equals to 18 meters. It's shown. Next, find the area of the rectangular field. Okay, so remember that the area is length times width. So the length is 30. And the width is x, which is 18. Thirty times 18 is 540 square meters. So this is the answer for the area of the rectangular field. Okay, next, from the figure, we can see that a rectangular field is surrounded by a concrete path, with the following information. Now find the area of the concrete path. So, we have to find the area of the gray region. Okay, now let's label the bigger rectangle ABCD, and then let's write the formula of rectangle area. As we know that the area of rectangle is length times width. The line is BC, so since this is 5, this is 30. And this is 5, so the length is 40 meters. And the width CD is 3 plus 18 plus 3 is 24. 40 times 24 is 916 square meter. To get the area of the concrete path, we have to subtract the area of rectangle KLMN from the area ABCD. And from the previous answer, we know that area of rectangle KLMN is 540 square meter. Let's subtract 540 from 960. And the answer is 420 square meter.